Same old.
Absolutely same old, and I can bet that this is the best ever sandwich in the world.
Oh, the
Nice
consistency
and
of the
hot.
utappa is nice.
Nice and hot and soft. तो महाराष्ट्र हार्टलैंड में आके हम पोहे कैसे नहीं खा सकते हैं?
Unlike a lot of places in Pune, Mazurin में sharing allowed है.
Allowed. Oh yeah.
The coffee Nazi is not approving.
Let's just call it coffee, not filter coffee.
पुणे तो खवैयों का शहर है ही।
Absolutely.
तो मुंबई से जब दो फूडीज पुणे आएंगे तो सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे?
सबसे पहले ब्रेकफास्ट खाएंगे और ऐसा वैसा ब्रेकफास्ट नहीं खाएंगे, थोड़ा न्यू, थोड़ा नॉस्टैल्जिक, थोड़ा ट्रेडिशनल ब्रेकफास्ट खाएंगे। What's it?
What's it?
Let's
do
go.
it.
So we are at Marzurin, and that is the first breakfast place. And this place is just smelling, feeling. I'm sure even taste. It'll taste of nostalgia.
Totally.
Lots of memories for both of us over here. Separate memories.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah, we talking about memories. So I was with my ex couple of years back. Couple of years.
Couple of years back.
2 decades. I was with my ex sitting on this table, and we were at a fight. I said, I held her hand like this. I said, told her sorry. So she told me, don't touch me. So I said, are you untouchable? She slapped me without a reaction. I was slapped on this table right here.
Wow.
But I've had some great memories also.
I'm sure you don't want to recreate that.
With whom?
With anyone. Good morning, Pune. We are in a very jovial mood because he spent some time in Pune. I did my post-graduation in Pune, so we have great memories of this place. And chutney sandwich, chicken sandwich, rum ball, total staple.
Chutney sandwich, chutney sandwich, chutney sandwich.
Chicken sandwich.
Oh no, start with chutney sandwich.
क्यों? फिर वो तीखा हो जाएगा तो मैं चिकन
नहीं, कुछ तीखा नहीं होगा।
गॉड, भूखे के हाथ से निकाला छीनना. Now you need to be slapped by the way. Same old.
Absolutely same old, and I can bet that this is the best ever sandwich in the world.
Oh.
Absolutely.
एक झापड़ इंसान को क्या क्या करवाता है?
Wash it down with a cold coffee.
No. Please don't tell me how to eat my breakfast. The reason I wanted to eat this first is I love these bland chicken sandwiches. And I find it's a great way to start my day.
It's not bland, it's got its own.
Of course, it's tasty, but compared to the chutney, it's bland.
Sure.
And just shredded chicken with some salt and pepper.
Which, yeah, absolutely, with some salt and pepper. और कुछ नहीं है इसमें, but
So lovely, lovely. First thing to eat in the morning.
absolutely. This is something that I never liked. मुझे mac and cheese कभी नहीं अच्छा लगा. कभी भी नहीं. Especially with these veggies on top, so definitely not.
अरे इतनी भी वेजीज नहीं है. So mac and cheese में वैसे एक्चुअली इतने वेजीज होते भी नहीं है.
नहीं होते हैं. It's just mac and cheese. But I just
लेकिन ये मार्जरीन का mac and cheese.
हाँ. But मुझे कहीं का भी mac and cheese पसंद नहीं है.
अच्छा. अब तू खा ले.
हाँ.
क्योंकि यहाँ पर ये काफी पॉपुलर डिश है. I like all these Italian spices.
Back then also I was forced to have mac and cheese.
नहीं खाता तो झापड़ पड़ता.
नहीं.
So it's a mac and cheese. Not something you would write home about.
Yeah. And it's not Marzurin, it's just mac and cheese that I don't like.
Okay. Chicken puff. And unlike a lot of places in Pune, Marzurin में sharing allowed है.
Allowed. Oh yeah. Oh.
Flaky, flaky.
Flaky, fresh. It's a little sweet, the chicken ka filling inside, which is adding to the taste.
Oh. पुणे का एक कैरेक्टर ही ये है कि यहाँ पर हर तरह का फूड मिलता है और वो हर तरह का फूड हर बजट के लिए भी मिलता है.
Yes.
Because there's a massive student population, there's a massive regular family crowd. How's the coffee?
We will never judge a coffee. We will just drink it. Coffee is regular घर का cold coffee.
Yes, घर का cold coffee.
घर का cold coffee. आइसक्रीम नहीं है, सिर्फ दूध और शक्कर और थोड़ा सा पानी है, बस that's it.
हाँ, ये नॉस्टैल्जिया कॉफी.
Yeah, it's nostalgia.
ये कैफे चेन्स और इंटरनेशनल कॉफीज आने से पहले यहाँ पर थी, है और रहेगी.
ऐसे ही रहेगी, just like the chutney sandwich. Change is not the only constant.
He who dare not be ignored. The rum ball was such a rage. I like to see this when a cake puffs अंदर से उसका जो layers आते हैं और जिस तरह से वो spongy और airy हो जाता है.
Cheers again.
Cheers again. न बदली rum, न बदला rum ball, न बदला mouse.
Absolute old school. There's a film called Rock and Roller, which is a part of the Guy Ritchie trilogy. उसमें एक dialogue है. There is no school like old school. On that note, we will have another chutney sandwich.
And we'll have much more breakfast.
ये इतने nostalgic breakfast के बाद, very good friend in Pune, Tarana, she has suggested a place called Gatti Chutney.
Ooh.
Which is a South Indian breakfast.
And what's a breakfast without something South Indian in it?
तो ये ब्रेकफास्ट का एक्सपीरियंस कंप्लीट करने के लिए वी कम टू गट्टी चटनी इन खराड़ी. दिस इज एक्चुअली टेकिंग अस टू विद्यार्थी भवन इन बैंगलोर.
Yes.
बट खा के देखते हैं.
But truly a breakfast experience is incomplete without a South Indian meal.
Meal, absolutely.
So actually ये घी डोसा है जिसको बनाया है in the texture of a
बेन्ने डोसा.
But it's swimming in ghee.
हाँ. बेन्ने का मतलब बटर होता है, तो not clarified butter. Butter.
Thanks for clarifying.
But it's a nice dosa.
It's a nice dosa.
I like it.
The batter has a sweetish taste to it. And the sambar is also sweet. And we'll be able to take a bet on whether the podi is going to be sweet or not after this.
I want to try the sambar. थोड़ा सा टैंगी भी है सांबर.
It's a sweet and sour sambar. It's like इस इडली को घी में डाल दिया.
Oh, oozing of ghee.
Just the ghee idli is a great snack.
It's good, yeah.
Even without all the chutneys and sambar. And we have some podi on the side. ये podi थोड़ी अलग है from the regular gunpowder.
It's looking also lighter, but I'm not a podi fan, so you can judge.
Oh, I love podi.
You can eat and
this is a very different podi. It's not like the podi we are used to. This also is slightly sweet.
The idli is nice and fluffy. उसको और भी enhance कर रहा है the like she said the generous use of fat. We have an open dosa which जो जैसे थोड़ा उत्तपा की तरह लग रहा है. उसमें बहुत सारा पोड़ी है.
और मसाला डोसा का मसाला है.
मसाला है.
And a nice cube of
dollop of butter.
Oh, the consistency
nice
of
and hot.
उत्तपा is nice.
It's nice and hot and soft.
I'm curious to taste the masala because हमने मसाला बिल्कुल नहीं खाया.
But this resembles, at least it looks like the benne dosa wala masala in
Mysore.
In Mysore?
The one which had no aloo, only kanda.
Oh yes.
But this has aloo.
Aloo, yeah, I can see the aloo.
The sagu that we had there.
Sagu.
This is sagu actually. It's a nice aloo sagu.
I think अगर हमारे पास बैंगलोर और मैसूर का रेफरेंस पॉइंट नहीं होता This would have been a banging breakfast.
Yeah,
but
I think this is also, it's a good breakfast and it has been adapted slightly to the local taste. So the addition of the mithas and everything, from the sambar to the batter of the dosa to the podi.
But why should you adapt South Indian food? The whole country is used to South Indian food. Benne dosa and the sagu is tasting better.
I do like this. Sorry.
Kha.
Now it has everything. The ghee, the podi, the red chutney, the green chutney, the sagu, and now the sambar.
Wow.
For the love of South. I am so satisfied with this.
अच्छा breakfast है.
Very filling, very tasty, very wholesome.
Mazurin के बाद a good twist to the
Yes.
breakfast.
Very different. Sorry for the coffee.
Coffee और budget cut हो गया क्योंकि एक ही कॉफी आया हमारा.
हम इसको बाय 2 करेंगे.
Yes, please. अरे well done. Thank you. Cheers.
After eating a idli or dosa, I usually crave for a coffee, and Mohit's face is telling me that the coffee Nazi is not approving.
Let's just call it coffee, not filter coffee. We will never judge a coffee. We will never judge a coffee. तो महाराष्ट्र हार्टलैंड में आके हम पोहे कैसे नहीं खा सकते हैं. ठीक है, सो वी आर एट सुदामाचे पोहे एंड हमने 3 पोहे ऑर्डर किए हैं. बट इसके पहले प्राची बताएगी कि सुदामाचे पोहे नाम क्यों है.
शायद ही कोई होगा जिसे कहानी नहीं पता है. कृष्णा और उनके फ्रेंड सुदामा जब जा रहे थे तो भूख लगी थी, एंड सुदामा वाज फ्रॉम अ वेरी पुअर फैमिली. तो उनके पास कुछ खाने के लिए नहीं था. उनकी मम्मी ने उन्हें बस एक पोटली में बांध के थोड़े से पोहे दिए थे और वो शेयर नहीं करना चाहते थे. एंड इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल स्टोरी अबाउट फ्रेंडशिप. तो सुदामाचे पोहे इज एन आइकॉनिक मेमोरी ऑफ शेयरिंग फूड एंड हेंस लव.
मैंने खाली एक पूरा ले लिया.
हाँ, तो बहुत सारे हैं ना. और क्योंकि हम महाराष्ट्र के हार्टलैंड में हैं, एक तरीके का पोहा तो होगा नहीं. आई मीन हाउ.
सो दिस इज तरी पोहा. ये नागपुरी स्पेशल. ये दरपे पोहे विच इज अ वेरी
होम स्पेशल पोहे जिसमें बहुत सारी रॉ चीजें होती है. ये
कच्चे पोहे. एंड दिस इज दही पोहे. एंड आई विल स्टार्ट विद द नागपुरी पोहा बिकॉज आई जस्ट लव तरी पोहा.
Sure. And I will start with dadpe.
जितना नागपुरी पोहा स्पाइसी होता है उतना है नहीं स्पाइसी है. तो आई एम इन द फर्स्ट बाइट डेफिनेटली मिसिंग द स्पाइस.
दिस इज ऑल कच्चा. उसमें कच्चा नारियल है, सींगदाना है, बहुत सारा नींबू निचोड़ा हुआ होता है, फल होते हैं. Salt and sugar, lemon, peanuts, and a little bit of tadka with rai and
mustard.
jeera. That's
I
it.
love the simplicity of the poha. Oh, it's damn good.
So Mohit, I have a very strong memory attached to this because my dad used to make this for us kids. और उनका तो जैसे हर मॉम और डैड का होता है अपना एक अलग रेसिपी. तो इस सब में वो अचार मिला देते थे. It is so good.
I like this the best. Simple, sweet, थोड़ा sour, थोड़ा तड़का.
And easy to make. कोई भी बना सकता है. तो दही पोहा की जो प्लेट है नीचे से it's गरम. So it's probably hot poha with
cold dahi.
Topped with dahi.
Dahi and fried bundi.
And more pomegranate. I like the layering on this one.
I can have this once in a while.
This is the breakfast poha you need. And for those of you who are not from Maharashtra, जैसे बॉलीवुड में गाजर का हलवा is an emotion for the relationship between the mother and the son.
On point.
Maharashtra में chaha pohe is an emotion. You know for what?
Yeah. For what?
For what? I don't know. चाहा पोहे का सीन करना मतलब लड़का लड़की को देखने आ रहा है.
Oh.
हाँ, ये मेरा चाहा पोहे का फोटो है, मतलब ये फोटो लड़के वाले को भेजना है. Yeah, it's funny.
So it's time to rate our breakfast, but we'll do it by the dishes, okay?
Okay. Not by the glasses.
So Mazorin chutney sandwich, I will say 15 out of 10.
Yeah.
Chicken sandwich,
9 on 10.
9 on 10. The chicken puff patty,
8 on 10.
also 8 on 10. The cold coffee,
7 on 10.
yeah, 7 on 10. Moving
Rum ball.
on. Oh, हाँ, rum ball. Rum ball was okay. Maybe 7.
Rum ball is 10 on 10 for nostalgia.
Okay. Moving on to gatti chutney, the dosa. The dosa.
7 on 10.
Yeah, 7 on 10. Tatte idli.
For the generous quantity of ghee, 8 on 10.
8 on 10, and also it was nice and fluffy. The open butter masala dosa.
Oh, that was delicious. For me, it was 9.5 on
9 on 10. Because the sagu was also nice. 9 on 10. Sudha mache pohe. The tari poha lacked spices for me. Nagpuri tari mein jo mirch hoti hai wo, it was lacking. So I would say maybe 6 on 10.
7 on 10.
Okay. The dahi pohe 8.5 on 10.
Yeah, 9 on 10 for dahi poha.
And darpe pohe to full marks.
दड़पे पोहे आपको कहीं और वैसे भी नहीं मिलते. So आओ और खाओ.
And on that note, like, comment, share, subscribe. If you think we've missed some breakfast spots in Pune, तो हमको बताओ, comment करके बताओ, subscribe करके comment करके बताओ.
और ये भी बताओ कि इससे ज़्यादा ब्रेकफास्ट एक दिन में आपने कभी खाया है क्या? आते रहिए.
खाते रहिए और पूछते रहिए.
खाने में क्या
क्या
है?
You want some?
Chutney sandwich is the same.
Same.
चटनी सैंडविच एंड रम बॉल इज द सेम. ये मुझे याद
Get
नहीं
no,
है.
get more no.
अपने घर पे
You'll have?
घर पे जो
Please get.
चटनी सैंडविच होता है
You must have.
दैट स्वीट
इसकी चटनी अलग है, मतलब बहुत ही मीठी चटनी है.
मतलब फ्लेवर इज वही वाला जो घर
On point. On point.
Now I want to eat these.
मैंने भी ऐसे सोचा था, पर खत्म हो गया.
नहीं तो यहाँ है ना. अच्छा ये तू रख ले.
No, I'll have it with this.
ये मेरे पास है.
I'll have it with this. Don't worry.
No, I have. And now we have a chicken chutney sandwich.
Chutney chicken sandwich. Chicken chutney sandwich.
Okay, double layer club sandwich.
हाँ. एक मिनट मिल रहा है देखो. Cheers.